Today, we're going to discuss 13 different indicators of nutritional deficiencies in your body. Let's delve into the 3 primary reasons behind these deficiencies. Firstly, some individuals have compromised digestive systems, resulting in malabsorption, which hinders nutrient absorption. This could be due to gut damage, the absence of a gallbladder or bile insufficiency, or a diet lacking in nutrient-dense foods. Sadly, poor soil quality can also contribute to nutrient-poor crops, leading to a desire for flavorful but nutritionally deficient foods. The second common reason for deficiency is the consumption of refined foods and sugars that deplete the body of vital nutrients. So, let's go through the list of 13 indicators. A white spot on your nail is a telltale sign of a zinc deficiency, often stemming from excessive sugar consumption. It's important to be mindful of sugar intake to restore the body's zinc levels and maintain nail health. Oily skin can be attributed to an imbalance in androgens, which can be effectively managed with zinc supplementation. Ensuring you have sufficient zinc levels in your diet can help keep your skin less oily and more balanced. Cracking at the corners of your mouth or on the heels signifies a deficiency in vitamin B2 or B3. Rectifying this issue with nutritional yeast or making dietary adjustments, such as reducing refined grains and sugar, can lead to smoother and healthier skin. Flaking skin, particularly around the nose or forehead, may be the result of an omega-3 fatty acid deficiency due to an excess of omega-6 fatty acids in your diet. A simple solution is to recalibrate your fat intake, prioritizing omega-3 sources over omega-6 to restore your skin's texture and prevent flakiness. Yellow eyes serve as a clear indicator of a liver or gallbladder issue, frequently associated with insufficient bile salts. Addressing this issue involves incorporating purified bile salts into your routine to promote proper liver function and regain the natural color of your eyes. Chronic cough can often be attributed to a calcium deficiency. Introducing calcium lactate supplementation into your daily regimen can be a simple and effective way to alleviate this persistent symptom. Bleeding or red, swollen gums signal a vitamin C deficiency. To combat this, it's crucial to reduce sugar intake and increase your consumption of leafy greens, as they provide the necessary nutrients to bolster gum health and prevent bleeding. Night vision problems may hint at a vitamin A deficiency, which can result from a lack of retinol found in animal products. Including such sources in your diet, like dairy, fish, or cod liver oil, can significantly enhance your night vision. Chapped lips and skin often occur due to a vitamin B2 deficiency, which is exacerbated by the consumption of refined grains and sugar. A wise approach to address this issue involves both refraining from grains and incorporating nutritional yeast in your diet. Pitting edema on the feet or ankles indicates a potassium deficiency. To alleviate this swelling, focus on potassium-rich foods or consider the use of electrolyte supplements to restore the balance between sodium and potassium levels in your body. Craving ice is a strong sign of iron deficiency. You can address this by incorporating iron-rich foods into your diet, such as red meat, liver, and eggs, or opt for iron supplements, which can help satisfy this craving and boost iron levels. Erectile dysfunction is often associated with low testosterone levels and can be improved by increasing your intake of zinc. Ensuring that your zinc intake is adequate is essential in enhancing testosterone production and combating this issue. Depression may be related to a vitamin D deficiency, as vitamin D plays a pivotal role in boosting serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood. Addressing this deficiency with vitamin D supplementation can contribute to an overall improvement in your mental well-being. As a side note, incorporating fasting into your routine can have a positive impact on mood. Fasting has been shown to positively influence mental health, offering an additional strategy to uplift your spirits and emotional well-being. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you soon.